Everybody, Brian back here with a look at Myro. All right, we broke above that 7.5. Step one, check. All right, now we came down, hit our target here. This box down here. This on an 8-hour chart. The last video I did, and I said expect a bounce around this area right in here, and sure enough, there we go. The reason I said that, it's not like I have a crystal ball or something. Used the Fibonacci, went from the swing low to the swing high. And right there you go. It's right in that 618 to 786 area. All right, that's right where it pulled back to. Pulled a little bit deeper actually, and then it's bounced out of here. Okay, so that is done. Let's get this box off here, clean this up here, get this off here. All right, we had this trend line there. You know, it was keeping trend, it broke trend. All right, that's where we had our pullback. Now it's running up here. All right, do we have a big 1-2 starting here? Possibly. Well, we'll dig in here and take a look here and look and see what Myro has to do to continue this rally. All right, over in the crypto bubbles. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. To all the members, thank you. You guys are the best, man. I appreciate it. You guys are the ones that keep me doing this, so thank you so much. I appreciate it more than you know. I really do. Popcat, I covered that. That thing was in a wedge. I said it was either ABCing. Either way, it was going to have a big breakout, and it broke to the upside, so good for that. You know, that thing's running decently over there. Let's take a look. Where's Myro at here? Number 419. Volume 17.27 million. Market cap 76.8 million. Up 14 spots to number 419. Having a beautiful day out there, man. And Bitcoin dominance is actually rising. Last I seen, you know, it's heading towards that target area where we need it. Look at that, 49 on the Fear and Greed Index, getting up there neutral. You know, so that's decent. You know, you see Bitcoin popping like this, that's what happens. So 49 on the Fear and Greed Index. Let's take a look over here real quick. I want to show you a couple things. We were trading ICP over there. Had a beautiful trade, man. Perfect. Everybody got out up here. We were looking for 836, but everybody got out down here. 830. That's where I got out. We rode it right up to here. Ended up being I don't mind telling you, I had $1,000 on it, made $223 off this move right here. So I love leverage trading. If you're interested in that stuff, guys, go over and sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15, and you get to come over and trade with us, and you get a bunch of videos to watch to teach how to start charting. We have over 200 members in there, and they are the best, man. You'll have it made in there. Yesterday I think we had 4 winning trades. Today we've had ICP so far. I haven't been on here real long today, but Bitcoin dominance rising up here, 58.5. Looking for that 60 percentile. You know, that would get us out here on a 618. Let me show you this. And then we're expecting a massive drop for an alt season. All right, 618 here at 60%. That's what we're looking for. Should get rejected off that level and break this support line here. Once it breaks the support line here, the altcoins are going to fly. We're getting very close, guys. We only have this small gap to go, and this thing should be we should have our alt season. Over here on Bitcoin, up another $1,900. Beautiful. There we go. Let's get a different chart here. There we go. We'll use that one. Yeah, this thing's kind of flagging up in here. I mean, it is kind of like a flag pattern in here. So when this thing does get the breakout, and I totally believe it's going to break out the top. That's my personal opinion. I've talked about this a million times. I think this is a 4th wave pullback. You know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, that's what I believe is happening here. I believe a low is in. Let's zoom in here and take a look at Bitcoin here. That's what this white line was for this low to enter trade there. I didn't enter that. I wish I would have now. The weekly RSI for Bitcoin heading to the upside. Beautiful. Monthly turning up. It's starting to turn around, starting to get positive traction. with the monthly RSI here. All right, the 5-day, beautiful. Man, Bitcoin looks really good. 3-day, and to the upside, looks fantastic. And the daily, all right, looks very, very good here. Looks like it's going to attempt a shot at this top resistance level here. Will it break it? Well, we'll see. Somewhere right through here. It's hard because none of these lines really match up that great, but the best one I can come up with is right there. All right, so I'm going to lock that there. I believe it's going to make a shot at it. 1, 2, this looks like a wave 3, fourth wave pullback, and we'll see if we get the break or not. So Bitcoin making a run here. We'll see if it can break out of this pattern or not. Then we have these lows down here. These ranges are nice to trade. Runs to the upside, back down to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom. If you're shorting this or longing it, then you could there's 4 or 5 trades right in here, just running it back to back to the top, back to the bottom in here. So, but anyway, Bitcoin is looking very, very good. Let's go over to Myro and look at this chart. Myro looks, it's making a run here for sure. All right, let's look at the RSIs first. On the daily, and to the top, this looks good. This looks like a 1, 2. This is a third wave here, to the upside. A third wave, usually go right around a 1618. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like it has some up to about 8.5. Then I'd probably expect a fourth wave pullback and a fifth wave up. Yeah, Myro. This is looking pretty decent, guys. Daily looks good. The weekly's heading to the upside. I really wasn't sure on this thing. I mean, it's 5 days heading up. 3 days heading up also. Looks great. The 12-hour getting near the top. It was riding this bottom, for a long time. I honestly, more likely, I thought it was going to break down here. I really did. I thought this fifth wave down, right up in here, you have your fourth wave and a fifth wave down. That's exactly what it looked like. And inside of here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Should have had a fifth wave here down, and that would have been down to. Pull this up on here. This inside one down to 4 cents. But this upper side, that's the big one. That's the one that shoots it down to right around 2.2. So far holding ground. All right, to negate this, we're gonna have to break a 382. I believe that's what this is. Let's go from the wave 2 down. Yeah, it's a 382. 382 retracement. All right, right at 9.7. If Myro can take out 9.7, that's huge. That's huge. All right, in my mind, I would have to really question any fifth wave down then if it can do that. And you can see here it's starting. You got a 1, 2. This should be a third wave here heading up. 3. Is it going to end up busting through this, or is it going to get busting through, or is it going to get rejected and roll over and head down? That's what we're going to have to see here. All right. 9.7. If you're trading this, if you're leverage trading it, be super careful around that area. I'm telling you, 9.7. I expect maybe wave 3 runs up there, pulls back, and maybe we get a breakthrough. We'll see. But this 382.097, huge area for Myro. Okay, it means that this run really, it means something to you. Obviously, if you're in it here for sure, but if it gets up here and gets rejected, it means nothing but a retracement and a rollover. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this. Huge level, guys. I'm rooting for it. I really hope it breaks it. I know it's going to make a run at it here. We're going to end up heading up here, so we'll see what happens. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Everybody, I hope you're having a great day out there, and thank you so much for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it.